5, 6, 7. 3 and 4. No, wait. 5, 6, no, same foot. Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio, and this is a new series on my channel, where I'm gonna try to learn something new in 1 week or in a short amount of time. I will start only with breakdancing videos or moves, but in future I may slowly expand this format to other disciplines. Maybe movement related, like calisthenics or flexibility exercises, maybe other dance styles, but could also become something more general, like learning new languages for example, or other type of skills. Based on what I really wanna learn in that time of my life. Can be used like a tutorial video for you maybe, if I will be successful in the process, but also as a progression series of myself, trying to learn something that I can't do or that I can do in a mediocre way, to improve and become proficient in that thing. Probably I will post weekly, so from now on you will see 2 videos per week instead than just 1. A progress video like this one every Monday and a normal tutorial each Friday. I still don't know the name of this series, so my ideas are learn with me, from mediocrity to proficiency, or maybe something like my self-improvement journey. I will put a poll here and let me know which one you like most. Or if you have any other ideas for a name, let me know in the comments down below. I was inspired from Mike Boyd and Natalie and Drew to make this series. Their channel links are in the description. I wanted to apply this format and concept to the things that I really need and want to improve in my dancing and in my life, to keep me even more motivated and productive to learn something new every week. In this episode I want to master the breaking foundation that I miss and I never focused on because I always wanted to focus on harder skills, ending up never improving the basics. By basics I mean really basic moves, especially footwork moves and go downs. That means from standing up dancing going down to footwork and floor works, but doing these basic moves on the beat. So I want to focus on musicality. So in this video actually I want to learn how to dance. So the first thing that I'm trying to do is just doing the groove. That means like dancing without really doing steps. And groove is what makes dancing like not so robotic, like this, but you are like moving more. No, same foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, this is correct. I'm doing the Indian step, this step here, because it's the most basic step. For today, I just want to practice this step, not other steps, like the salsa step, this one, because I just want to focus on the groove of the Indian step. This is my normal Indian step, like this. But like this, I feel like I don't really have a groove. Maybe I have just the bounce a little bit. I should move my body more, like everything. My shoulders, my chest, my hips, my neck. I'm breaking my shoes, guys. Fun fact, these shoes that I'm wearing right now were already broken, but right now they are breaking even more. I don't know if you can see it. I wanted to use them until they are completely broken. Now it's been like almost 2 hours. I finished with all the basic moves, but it still took a long time for me because it was hard to figure out how to do them on the beat. It's very weird to call myself a dancer. What I was doing before was just practicing for my body. Also the main goal for me in the past years when I used to practice was practicing just because I liked the moves. I didn't really see my training like a dance training, but more like a fitness training. That is not wrong, it's totally fine. But now my goal is to become a dancer and not just an athlete. I still want to maintain and improve my hard moves. Doing a movement and doing a movement on the music is different. It's very different. What? very hard because you have to move very fast. And 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Oh, you have to be so fast. I tried all the steps, but I'm very tired already. Whoa! I almost broke my shoe! Yesterday I noticed that I still have troubles doing some steps on the beat, so I think today I should slow down a little bit and try to count the steps instead than doing them on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, by counting without the music it's way better for me. I stay more focused and I don't feel like in a rush to follow the music. I still have to practice it like this a little bit and then I think it will be way easier with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. No? No. I'm doing something wrong. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Day 7, last day. Today's goal is to make each move clean and on the beat. Let's see if I can do it. today I think I have to stop. My legs hurt. One thing that I underestimated about this training is that it's painful. Like my legs are hurting here, and also my feet a little bit. I feel like I improved some moves, but I was not able to learn all the moves that I wanted in just 1 week. I had to do all these moves on both sides, and I noticed that I can do them on one side, but not so well on the other side. And I didn't count them if I couldn't do them properly on both sides on the beat. But I still feel proud, and I still feel I improved, especially my go downs and my drops, but I still feel like I have to work on them a lot. The goal for the next week will be to build my sets. 1 set per day would be cool. Actually, in future I would like to dance by freestyling, but I feel like I'm still not at that level. So first I want to build solid sets. When I master them, I want to try to freestyle more. Oh, and by the way, even if in the next weeks I will focus on other things, I still want to implement this training that I did in the next weeks, because I think it's useless if I did this training just this week and then I stop. Then in future I would like to focus more on specific moves. For example, 1 round of air flare on the other side in 1 week, something like that. I hope you enjoy this new format. And also, if you have any suggestions of things that I can work on or moves that you want me to learn, let me know in the comments down below. If you're interested, check out my merch, link in the description, and see you with a new tutorial this week, and see you next week with another of these videos. Yo ninjas!